Did you know vitamin C is one of the most transformative ingredients in skincare, no matter your age? Whether you're in your 20s, 30s, 40s, or beyond, vitamin C can work wonders for your skin. For those in their 20s and early 30s, it's perfect for prevention. Vitamin C shields your skin from damage caused by pollution and UV rays while keeping your complexion bright and vibrant. In your 40s and beyond, it becomes a powerhouse for repair. It boosts collagen production, helping to reduce fine lines, firm up your skin, and fade age spots or discoloration. If you have dull, uneven skin tone, hyperpigmentation, or even redness, vitamin C is your go-to. And for those with mature skin, its ability to restore elasticity and promote a radiant glow makes it a game changer. Best of all, it's suitable for nearly all skin types and is gentle enough for daily use. No matter your age or skin concerns, vitamin C can take your skincare routine to the next level. It's never too early or too late to start giving your skin the glow it deserves.